Hey, all you people of the earth. Tony Bickert here, walking along on a golf course. One of the most beautiful walks you could ever take are on some of America's golf courses. Most of them actually have at least some beauty to them. This one has a lot. South Carolina, one of the 48 states that I'm golfing down here in the lower 48. I'm from Alaska, and we've got lots of beauty up there too, but trying to see the rest of the country, and the best way to see it, in my opinion, is by walking golf courses. I just got finished with that hole, and I'm heading to the next, and who knows where that is. I'm gonna follow this boardwalk, and it looks like the environment's changing. Yeah, we are walking into a swamp. I'm gonna stay in the middle of this boardwalk so no swamp things can jump up and get me. We don't have swamps in Alaska. We have wetlands, but not these places. These dark, kind of creepy places. Gabe, what's under this bridge? Anyway. I can see some light at the end here. But isn't it beautiful? Quiet. Nice canopy. Pine straw. Pine needles. Some sort of hedges that they cut, it looks like. And then here we are coming to the next hole. Number 16, I believe. See what we got here. Oh, there's a nice lagoon coming up here. Might see another alligator. I'd love to see them from the golf course, not from out of bounds, because that's where they live. Hit your ball over there, you need to just let it go. So here's the fairway. The white tees I'm playing mostly. Sometimes I'll jump to the senior tees because I'm kind of in that transition time, you know. So I'll do a quick scan here. There's some birds on the shore there. Zoom so you can see them. That's about it, for all we know.